So example 2c includes the distributive property that I'm going to have to use first. So when you have an equation like this, you want to use a distributive property to get rid of the brackets, and then we're going to use our inverse operations method to go ahead and solve. So 4 times x is 4x, 4 times 5 is 20, so I've got minus 20. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x, and this time be careful because we have two minus signs. Negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. So my equation is 4x minus 20 equals negative 2x plus 4. Now that I've done that, again, I want to get the variable on the left-hand side and the numbers on the right-hand side. Let me start by doing the inverse of subtracting 20. Well, the inverse of subtracting 20 is adding 20, and I'm going to do that to both sides. That makes a zero pair. I get 4x equals negative 2x plus 24. I want to get the variables on the left-hand side of the equation, so the inverse of negative 2x is positive 2x or plus 2x. And again, you have to do it on both sides of the equal sign. That makes a zero pair, and we get 6x equals 24. The inverse of multiplying by 6 is dividing by 6. X is equal to 4.